everyone. So I'm making a video today on how to clean your engine bay. I know mine's not too dirty as I try to clean it regularly, but I figured that while I was cleaning it, I could make a video and show you how I do it and how you guys can do it as well. Keep in mind, this is a 2020 Civic Si, so it is kind of a newer car. It's not like a 2005 or anything like that. You'll notice the first thing I did was cover the intake. I don't think you have to do that, but I just figured for good measure I would cover it, and stops my air filter from getting wet and having to dry out. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray down the engine just to get everything wet. Now that I've sprayed down the engine, I'm going to take some sort of cleaner or degreaser. You can really use whatever you want. I choose to use the Nonsense Invisible Chemical Guys cleaner. I've used this before for this, and I think it works perfectly. So if it works, why change it? Now keep in mind, I'm doing this on a cool engine. It hasn't been running recently. I just think it's better for the car if you do it like that, but some people may tell me in the comments that it doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. Now I'm going to go through and just kind of agitate everything a little bit. And don't be afraid to use more cleaner. If you need it, just spray more on. So now that it's all agitated, I'm going to go back with the pressure washer, rinse everything off just to make sure nothing dries on the car. You got to be somewhat quick with it. So now the engine bay is clean, but it's not dressed. So I'm going to take, you can use a towel if you want. I just happen to have a leaf blower, so I'm going to use a leaf blower and try to dry it off the best I can. Now I'm using the Greenworks Pro 730 cubic foot a minute. This is absolutely a beast of a leaf blower. If you're in the market for a battery powered one, highly recommend this one. So now that the engine bay is dry, I want to go in with a water-based kind of tire shine product, and I just kind of spray everything down. I like water-based just because it kind of evaporates and doesn't leave like the residue that some of the other ones do. Still leaves a great shine. I just feel like water-based is the best for the engine bay, but if you have a preference, you can really use what you want. All right, as you can see, this is the finished product. Very clean, and it took less than 10 minutes. Anyone can really do this.